Hey guys, welcome to Plant Therapy. Me and Coco want to share something with you today. Actually, a few things. I am maybe halfway through the month. We are a little bit more than halfway through the month, and I have quite a few plants that I've purchased, whether at the nurseries I visited recently or online. But yeah, I just wanted to take a moment and share that with you, let you see what I got. All right, so here we go. Coco, say good morning. A treat. Okay, guys, so here we are. Just a quick overview, but of course I'm going to go through each and every one. First, I got to show you these two guys. I got them together. And I tell you what, I think I bought these two Calatheas. This one is a Rosio Picta. I'm not sure which one. I believe either that or Medallion. I always get them confused, but look at those beautiful leaves. Live Trends. Found this at Lowe's on a recent visit, which I haven't even posted that video yet. But I got blown away by this beautiful, the black just seems to make these colors pop. And let me tell you, I don't know what kind of leaf shine they used, or maybe it's just neem oil. But isn't that pretty? Here you go. Let me get the light. Get it in the light. I want you to see the color. Isn't that pretty? Yeah, I'm getting bolder, and I'm going to keep trying with these Calatheas. You know, they're so pretty. But I find some of them are easier than you think. But anyway, we get into that another day. But that's the first one. And I got this for $15.98 at Lowe's. Very nice. Live Trends, they have really beautiful planters. Okay, so it was this one. And I got me another rattlesnake. As I told you guys before, I definitely recommend this one for people who want to try to prayer plants but are afraid to. This one is very easy, you know, and very forgiving. I cut mine back because I had let it go too long and the tips had dried up, and I didn't know if it was dealing with a pest, but I chopped it back hard, but I'm sure it's going to come back just fine. So $15.98 from my local Lowe's. Very cute, aren't they? And these I think are going to go in my kitchen. They're small enough I can keep them around the sink area where it's more humid naturally, you know, through the winter months, and then I can move them later. But that's the first two. Aren't they pretty? Okay, then I finally am venturing down the road of African violets. I'm going to try my luck here. I have no clue. I'm going to be starting out totally green. These were $5.99. I got them at the Thanksgiving Farms, that nursery that I shared with you guys. I think I posted that last night. But look at this. The variegation, which I hope I can get more of the leaves to show that variegation. It seems like they're reverting. So I don't know if that's going to happen. But as you can see, some of the foliage has that. But anyhow, and then it has that pretty purple underneath. I really love it for the flowers, honestly. Look at how they look, the new babies that are coming in the buds. I think that's adorable. So we'll see. I was watching Sean from Only Plants, and he did a little thing on a video on African violets and showed how easy it is to propagate them. So maybe we'll do that together in the future. Here's another one. Look at the color of those flowers. Isn't that beautiful? And I find myself wanting more flowers in the house, especially during the winter months as it gets colder. But yeah, isn't that one pretty? As you can tell, I'm pretty drawn to purples. And that one was $5.99. So Just put that there. And also from Thanksgiving Farms, I found me a Summer Glory. Now this one was $22.99. What is that, a 5-inch pot maybe? I don't know. Yeah, $22.99. And some of you have commented on the prices at that nursery. There are some decent prices here and there. You just have to kind of look around. Some are really marked up, but you know, I think all nurseries do that with some of the plants that are so-called rare. But some of these plants are not so rare anymore to be marked up that much. But you know, I'm not knocking them. You gotta still go and look. They do have a big selection. You can find things that are reasonable. But yeah, they didn't have too many of these, and I've been wanting one of these. I let one go before at a Dutch plant farm and promised myself that when I saw one I would get it. I love the way it comes in with this beautiful color and gradually changes that leaf. I don't know, my lighting, if you can appreciate how this leaf is turning green gradually. It was this color, and then look at the venation. But anyway, yeah, so that was from Thanksgiving Farms. And previously, I think when I went to Home Depot last week, I found this. I had this color. This is actually a Thanksgiving cactus. They still sell these as Christmas cactus, but this is actually Thanksgiving cactus, and you can tell by the shape of the stems. And I found out yesterday that these are flattened stems. Somebody had a video that, and I was looking up care, because I haven't truly gotten the care down with this one. I was giving it like really strong light. Found out that it doesn't need that. So morning light is pretty good. And you know, you have to look up as far as how to get these things to flower. Now I had one last Christmas, but unfortunately I didn't take good care of it over the winter, and it died. So I'm gonna do better. I have one upstairs that's reblooming. It's reddish in color. But yeah, this one I got from Home Depot. It was $9.98. I wanted a nice size pot, and now I got it. And it's just so pretty with the gold paper. But of course, when you water this, take it out of the paper so it can drain. All right, so that is that. And then when I went to Dutch Plant Farm, now of course I'm going to attach these videos, if you haven't seen them already, the recent shopping videos to these nurseries and places I've gone. I'll attach at the end of the video the links so you can watch them if you haven't. This one I picked up at Dutch Plant Farm, and the price, let's see, I did buy this terracotta because that's what I intend to put it in. But yeah, $19.99. Now that might be a lot for a 4-inch, but I've been wanting this silver stripe Philodendron. I have the Brazil, and that thing is a monster. It grows and grows and grows. No matter how much I cut it back, it keeps growing. So, and I've propagated from that. So I've always wanted this one. The leaves are a little longer, and you know, they're pretty. Look at the coloring on this leaf here. Hopefully my lights aren't throwing off the color. But yeah, it's such a beautiful, and I love vining plants, and I find I'm really drawn to them during the winter months. Just makes it feel more tropical in here, so I can get through the winter, the cold winter. Appreciating some tropical plants hanging all around. I'm kind of rearranging things. Maybe I'll do a full tour once I'm finally finished, which will probably be in January. But I am thinking of doing my full Hoya collection soon. And speaking of Hoyas, let's get right to them. I have 2 new babies here. Now these I got on Etsy. This is Fitchii. It's actually pretty. And I've been wanting this one for a while now. I think I saw one on Everything Plants Jeff had a really beautiful Fitchii a while back, but the prices were high for me. And so it was on the wish list for a while. But look at these beautiful, beautiful leaves. And let me tell you, Hoya Treasures is the name of the Etsy seller. And Rebecca, I think is her name. She packed this so well. She's out in Utah. And as I said before, I'm in Maryland, and I tend to buy from sellers that are closer to me, like on the East Coast, because they get here faster. They don't linger in the mail for too long. And let me tell you, she included the heat pack. She kind of uses her own judgment depending where she's sending the plant. And it was well insulated, you know, with that insulated wrap, that silver stuff they use. These were wrapped so well, like little hoagies. I love it when they wrap them like that. And with all the packaging and all, let me tell you, it did very well. I don't see any damage from traveling. All the leaves seem. This one looked a little petrified, but probably because it was a new leaf. And, you know, temperature change. I think it got here in about 3 days, maybe 4. And yeah, everything was packed so well. So I definitely recommend her. And I'll double check the name of the seller, but I think it's Hoya Treasures. And you can find that on Etsy. And then there's also another one that I got. This is my Crassy Petiolata Splash. Look at the splash, let me tell you. Oh my gosh. And what inspired me to get this one, let me move the Fitchii out of the way so you can appreciate this one. What inspired me to get this one here was seeing a full pot of this flowering, I think on Hakuna La Planta on Kevin's channel. Wow. I think he had one. I think it was flowering, but he's amazing with his propagating Hoyas. I love watching his channel and definitely recommend. But yeah, I saw one of these. I have the regular Crassy Petiolata. I always have trouble. I have the regular Crassy, and she's growing like a weed, especially since I gave her a trellis. But like I said, I'll do a full Hoya tour real soon and let you guys see. Maybe I could put before and after when I gave those plants. There are a couple of them I gave trellises to, and they've gone crazy with leafing up and vining and all that. But yeah, so this one, I am really looking forward to seeing what she does for me. But yeah, aren't you in love with the splash and the nation on this? Yeah, so Crassy Petiolata Splash. All right, guys, I think I covered everything here. So just a quick look-see at everything. Yeah, so I hope you guys are having a wonderful month. The holidays are upon us, and you know, we're all gonna get busy. So I just wanted to knock this out and put this out there for you guys to see. And I hope you all have a wonderful Thanksgiving and happy holiday season. I'll be around, but you know, we all get busy around this time of year. So enjoy yourselves, enjoy your Sunday. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you soon. Bye. All the music was provided by Sleeping Lion. I'll provide the names below. Have a great day.